In this episode, we're gonna learn the Washington apple. How you doing? Welcome to another episode of Making You a Bartending Pro. I'm Jason. On this channel, you can learn how to become and succeed as a working bartender. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. So this is the Washington apple, one of the most famous and popular and, in my opinion, delicious shooters out there. So remember with shooters, the simple thing for the most part, right? The easy thing to remember with these is that they're equal parts, roughly equal parts of all the ingredients. Don't beat yourself up too much if you're not pouring exact, precise amounts of each of the ingredients. So this one's real simple. You have three main ingredients. You have the crown, you have the apple pucker, and your cranberry juice. So we're gonna do equal parts of these into a little shooter glass here. This is just like a little rocks glass, but we're gonna pour that in and make that our shooter glass. So I'm gonna pour about 3/4 of an ounce, or if you're in milliliters, about 22 milliliters of each of these ingredients into this drink. So if you're on a regular counting, that's gonna be a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. And then again, just roughly about, 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice, maybe a little bit more splashes there. And then you could just take it like that if you wanted to. I tend to prefer to have these a little bit chilled. So I'm gonna pour this over the ice. Now generally you would make this probably in a bar. You would probably pour these ingredients into a mixing tin itself, and then you would shake it up and then strain it into the shot glass for your patrons. And we'll strain this out. And there is your Washington apple. These are delicious, dangerous, because you can't tell that it's mostly, you can tell that it's mostly booze, but this thing is a pretty balanced drink. And honestly, I've had people order this just on the rocks because they like to sip on it. Delicious drink, delicious shooter, Washington apple, definitely one to know. So if you're a Washington apple aficionado, or if you have any stories about having too many of these on a night out on the town, then please feel free to share it in the comments below. If you're new here, maybe think about subscribing. All right, that's it for this one. My name's Jason. This is Making You a Bartending Pro. I'll see you on the next one soon. Take care. Cheers.